Massachusetts Eddie, back at you again with another truck video. The exhaust got put on. Let me see. There you are. So it seems to be hitting this right here. I didn't really account for that. Do I care? No, not at all. She's just chugging along. And I think that's that. I don't want to put any more fucking work into this truck. I love it to death, but I think any extra work can be put on the hands of a mechanic. A real mechanic. Sheesh, if you can't dodge it, ram it, brother. Spin it on down. Oh, fuck. A dumbass put it in reverse. There's my brother. Yep, she's a quick little mama. Purring like a kitten. And I'm done reckon about that's it. So check engine lights still on. 106,000. So I believe it's a the code is for the let me do it like that. I believe that code is for I think it was something about evaporation, something like that. It might just be like a purge valve, but I'm not concerned about none of that. I'm probably gonna take it up to the mechanic either today or tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, and I'm just gonna drop it off, ask them, hey, look at it, tell me what you think. If they tell me, yeah, man, nice truck, don't worry about it, I'll keep it. But if they tell me, look, guy, you still got a few more $1,000s into it, then I'll get rid of it. Because tired of the Mitsubishi. I think it's a great little vehicle, but it's not what I need for my lifestyle. I'm gonna sell the Mitsubishi to get a truck, and if this truck is up and running, hallelujah, I'll use this truck. But I honestly think it would be a smarter idea to get like a Ranger or like a V6 F-150, because this is a great hauler, but I'm not 100% sure on its longevity or its ability to live a long life. What I'd be more sure of is a dealership Ranger or little F-150, and or like a fucking, any one of the 1500s of the Ram, GMC, or fucking Chev. I'd take any of those, because I don't need the entirety of 8,000 pounds of towing capacity. I really only need like maybe 3,000 pounds on a weekly basis. Hey, every once in a while I gotta tow a heavy load. Okay, then it makes sense to have something that can push 8,000 pounds. But I think I'll just keep this as a tow vehicle, and then get me another a little truck, something small that I can just toot around town in. So that's my idea. It's Massachusetts Eddie. I'm at the grandparents. Here in my truck. It's still got no I got this light bar that I was thinking about putting on, but honestly, fuck that. Didn't even pay for that shit, so I'll just be like, included in the sale. Yeah, there's a lot of shit that I could do to this truck that I'm just not gonna do. Like this, I might glue it. Just get them stuck in place for the here and now, and let some other guy worry about it. It's like this thing's fucking. So yep, got the manual windows. God damn. And put you on the wide lens. Yep. Oh yeah. 'Cause I love this truck. Don't get me wrong. Sure, it could use some shit, but you gotta love a truck like that. You gotta just love an old workhorse. I mean, take another look at the rear. It's like, shit. If that was a woman, I'd catch the charge. Massachusetts Eddie, out.